10 such foods that can increase your life expectancy and health. Chia seeds. It's rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to help support brain health. Ginger. It contains at least 25 different types of antioxidants, which provide varied health benefits, from lowering your blood pressure to controlling your blood sugar. Eggs. Eggs have a positive effect on weight loss. They can also help your cholesterol by improving your HDL. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to decrease the risk of abnormal heartbeats. Cruciferous vegetables. They contain cruciferous phytochemical sulforaphane, which has been found to protect a blood vessel wall from inflammatory signaling.